And welcome back, everyone. Parents sign those summer camp waivers to show they understand their children are participating in risky activities. But a new YMCA waiver has one couple concerned. Investigator Melissa Yeager has some important information for parents before they send their kids off to camp.
For their kids, Frida and Mike Strack sign a lot of waivers, but this section from the new YMCA after-school program waiver gave them pause. It says, in the case of injury or death, the Stracks agree to waive their right to sue, whether caused by the negligence of the releasees or otherwise.
This isn't a waiver that says it's just at your own risk. This is a waiver that says if our staff is negligent, we're not responsible.
We give the YMCA our children with the expectation that they are willingly taking on that responsibility. And so that language really threw up a red flag.
Mark Hewlett manages risk for the YMCA.
I would say that the waiver that the Y has is pretty standard.
The nonprofit's insurance company recently pushed them to update their waiver for the first time in more than a decade. He believes the new waiver protects the Y and its clients.
We've obviously had our insurance carriers look at that and review that. We've had counsel review that and feel it's appropriate language in today's society.
But attorney Tim Dollar believes the Stacks have reason to be concerned.
Unfortunately, parents need to be on guard.
Dollar handles child care negligence cases and says these agreements may limit parents' rights if something happens to their child.
If you sign that document, our courts, at least at this point, have said that that's an enforceable contract. And the only option is refuse the service, band together, have a public outcry about these sorts of practices.
The Stracks would like to see this waiver reworded.
This waiver seems to kind of go in the different direction that they are attempting to alleviate as much accountability and responsibility as opposed to accepting the fact that they're caring for people's children.
And again, the Y believes this waiver is similar to what other child care facilities also make parents sign. Those who don't sign aren't allowed to participate in Y activities. While some attorneys argue these forms wouldn't hold up in court, Dollar says in the past he's told clients to cross out and initial sections they don't agree with or find new child care providers. I'm investigator Melissa Yeager, 41 Action News.